So it is Field Trip Friday time once again. You know, due to the crazy pandemic that the world's been facing, COVID-19, the coronavirus, we have been self-quarantining, we've been staying home, staying safe. So due to that, we have not been on a Field Trip Friday for quite some time. We have not even done restaurant reviews. So as of last week, it is a little bit more lenient. You can go out to certain places. So we thought we would do a Field Trip Friday once again. We decided though that we're going to still be safe, practice social distancing on this Field Trip Friday. We're going to head out to Antelope Island to check out some bison, the Great Salt Lake, the beautiful scenery that's out there. We're going to most likely probably spend most of the time in our car sightseeing, so it's not like we have to really worry about seeing or being around crowds of people. So thankfully, we are going to pick up the Field Trip Friday once again. And on that note, let's head out the door and go to Antelope Island.
London and Ella, tell me, where are we at? What is it called, this place that we came to?
I have no idea. Antelope Island.
Antelope Island. And what are we going to do here? What kind of wildlife can we see here?
Bison, birds, deer, goat, snake.
So we're super excited because we are going to be able to see some bison. Look at this beautiful scenery here. Isn't this amazing? It's gorgeous.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me, cocked your head to the side and said I'm angry. 5 days since you laughed at me, saying get back together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room, I realized it's all my fault but couldn't tell you. Yesterday you'd forgiven me, but it'll still be 2 days till I say I'm sorry.
Hold it now, I want to hoodwink. Does it make you stop think? You'll think you're looking at Aquaman. I summon fish to the dish, although I like the chalet Swiss, I like the sushi cause it's never touch a frying pan. Hot like wasabi when I bust rhymes, speak like Leanne rhymes because I'm all about value. Bert Camper's got the mad hits, you try to match wits, you try to hold me but I bust through. Gonna make a break and take a fake out like a sink and they can shake out like vanilla. It's the finest of the flavors. Gotta see the show cause then you'll know the vertigo is gonna go cause it's so dangerous you'll have to sign a waiver. Can't I help it if I think you're funny when you're mad? Trying hard not to smile though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy who laughs at a funeral. Can't understand what I mean, well you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of taking off my shirt.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me, threw your arms in the air and said you're crazy. 5 days since you tackled me.
All right, so we're back, and some ideas and tips to share with you guys in case you want to do a field trip out to Antelope Island. We live here in the Salt Lake City area, not too far from Skyline High School in the Mill Creek area, and it took us about an hour to get out to Antelope Island. So if you're going to head out to Antelope Island, depending on where you're located, you've got about an hour commute each way, so you're looking at about 2 hours just in commute time. Then you're probably going to want to spend about 2 hours minimum out there. There's a visitor center that you can walk through. There's also like a farm, I guess is the best way to describe it, that you can walk through and kind of see old stuff, antiques. And then of course there's driving around looking for bison. Some of the bison are close up on the road, some of them are far away. And so that probably at a minimum is going to be about 2 hours. They also have some hiking trails out there, so if you wanted to make it a day, you could definitely stay out there longer and do a couple hikes, or a hike, maybe a couple hikes. They have some kind of camping spots that, I don't know if camping is the right word, I'm not sure if you can camp out there, but spots that you can have a picnic, you got tables. And my recommendation is if you go out there, definitely pack a sack lunch, because once you get out there, it's not like there's restaurants out there to eat at, so definitely pack some food, pack some water, or whatever you want to basically drink or eat. And count on a minimum of approximately a 4-hour field trip if you're in the Salt Lake area. But again, if you're going to hike or maybe picnic, then you're probably looking at 5, 6, or maybe a full day, which you could easily spend out there and have a wonderful time. So we finally got the opportunity to do a Field Trip Friday again. Again, we're excited to pick up the field trips again and go on these adventures and basically explore and discover Utah. So, thanks for watching. On that note, we will see you on the next Field Trip Friday.